Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder how to keep your electric vehicle's battery humming along, saving you money and headaches down the line? Because let's face it, that battery is the heart of your EV, and a healthy heart means a happy wallet. Today, we're diving into DIYEV battery care, simple tips that can make a real difference. Now, before we get started, I want to be upfront. While I've done my research, I haven't found a treasure trove of super specific, recently published data on this. So we'll be relying on general knowledge and best practices, but I promise to keep it clear, concise, and dare I say, entertaining. So, what are we talking about when we say DIYEV battery care? It's not about cracking open your battery pack and fiddling with the innards, leave that to the professionals. We're talking about the everyday things you can do to maximize your battery's lifespan and performance. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your electric heart. First up, driving habits. This might sound obvious, but aggressive driving, jackrabbit starts, hard braking, and excessive speeding puts a serious strain on your battery. It's like constantly revving your engine in a gas car, but even more impactful. Think of it this way, every time you floor it, you're essentially giving your battery a mini workout, and those mini workouts add up. Smooth, consistent driving is your battery's best friend. Accelerate gently, brake smoothly, and maintain a steady speed whenever possible. You'll save energy, extend battery life, and probably even improve your gas mileage, if you're still comparing to gas cars, that is. Next, let's talk about charging. While convenient, constantly charging your battery to 100% isn't ideal. Think of it like constantly keeping a glass of water filled to the absolute brim. Eventually, some might spill. Similarly, consistently charging to 100% can put stress on the battery cells over time. Aim for around 80% for daily driving, and only charge to 100% when you need the extra range for a long trip. And avoid letting your battery drain completely. That's like running your gas car on empty, not a fun experience for the engine. Keeping it within a reasonable range, say between 20% and 80%, is generally recommended. Again, while precise data on this is limited, this advice is widely accepted within the EV community. Now, let's address temperature. Extreme heat and cold are battery's sworn enemies. Heat can degrade battery cells faster, while extreme cold can reduce its performance. If you live in an area with extreme temperatures, consider parking in a garage or using a battery preconditioning system if your car offers one to manage the temperature. This isn't always feasible, I know, but even simple things like parking in the shade during the summer can help. Another often overlooked aspect is regularly inspecting your tires. Properly inflated tires reduce rolling resistance, meaning your car uses less energy, putting less strain on the battery. It's a simple check, but it can make a difference. And while we are on the subject of maintenance, regular servicing of your EV by a qualified mechanic is crucial. They can check for any issues that might affect your battery's performance and address them before they become major problems. Now, let's talk about those pesky misconceptions. Many people believe that frequently using fast chargers significantly damages their battery. While it's true that frequent fast charging can put more stress on the battery than slower charging, modern EVs are designed to handle it reasonably well. It's not a death sentence for your battery, but moderation is key. Think of it like sprinting versus jogging. Sprinting is great for short bursts, but you wouldn't want to sprint a marathon. So, we've covered a lot of ground. Remember, gentle driving, smart charging habits, temperature awareness, tire pressure checks, and regular servicing are your best friends when it comes to extending the life of your EV battery. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about how you can support this channel. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. In short, treat your EV battery with respect, and it will reward you with years of reliable performance. Remember those simple tips, and you'll be saving money and keeping your electric ride running smoothly for a long time to come. What are your top EV battery care tips? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!